What?
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Okay guys, this time I will introduce about one of the tourist attraction in South Sumatra province. And I make sure this place will make you interested in coming here. Where and what's the name of the place? Okay, let's see.
So guys, this is it, the Ayek Ugul Waterfall. Can you see? It's amazing, right?
For your information, Ayek Ugul Waterfall is a waterfall in Lahat, Regency, South Sumatra province. This waterfall is located right in Muara village, Pagar Gunung district, Lahat, Regency. So, Ayek Ugul Waterfall is no less beautiful than others area. This waterfall still has a beautiful cool atmosphere and the air view are still fairly natural, clear and clean. To get here, we can use public transportation such as taking a bus or taking the train to Palembang Lahat at Kertapati station. Arriving at Lahat, we can continue the journey to Ayek Ugul Waterfall. Ayek Ugul Waterfall is 500 meters from Muara village, can be reached by 2-wheeled and 4-wheeled vehicles. For people who want to visit in the waterfall in this village, it can be reached from Lahat city in approximately 1 hour using a 4 or 2-wheeled vehicle. Here, I get a very beautiful natural view. This place is very suitable to be chosen as a tourist destination on holiday. Maybe the route to this tourist destination seems difficult, but when you get there, your tired, your time will be rewarded with the beautiful view before your eyes. One of the attractions of Ayek Ugul Waterfall is the exotic natural beauty of the surrounding area. The water here feels so cool and refreshing. Besides being able to enjoy beautiful natural view, you can also refresh your body by swimming. Around the waterfall, there are corals that line up naturally, so it's very beautiful. The sound of the gurgling waterfall will give a feeling of pleasure to your heart. Moreover, the sound is accompanied by the sound of nature, which is beautiful. So this place is the right choice to calm yourself and relieve your tired mind after being tired from activity. So guys, the entry ticket price for Ayek Ugul Waterfall starts from 5,000 rupiah. So guys, that's my introduction to this place, and now let's enjoy the amazing natural tourism of Ayek Ugul Waterfall together. And remember, don't throw rubbish carelessly so as not to pollute the waterfall. Bye!
A story that I'll never tell, 'cause our world just didn't collide. You had yours and I had mine, got lost in different directions, but being with you was my favorite lesson.
Oh my god! Wow!
Ada apa-apa?
Ayolah, lah aku videoin kamu tuh.
Tapi